What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some poor man's fish tacos, and you're saying, Black Owl, what the hell is a poor man's fish taco? Well, come with me and I'll show you. Come on, boy. I'll show you myself. Come on. That's right, baby. The poor man's fish tacos. Now you're saying to yourself, like, oh, poor man's fish tacos? What are you talking about? Well, I'm about to show you because, you know, with the price of everything today, the way things are going, price of gas is going up, groceries is going up. So sometimes, you know, you gotta get inventive, and that's what I'm doing today. These are the poor man's fish tacos, but they're gonna taste good enough for a king, for a millionaire, baby. Some Regis Philbin. So, you know, the thing about it is, I had all this stuff in the house already. And I thought, you know, I could put that with that, I could put that with this, and I could have a beautiful dinner. And, you know, that's what you gotta do. Look around, see what you got, and get creative, baby. So, let's get creative together. Now, first thing that you gotta do is get you some fish. And now, of course, like I said, I had this in the house. And today, I just used some old Van de Kamp's battered filet things. You know, frozen fish. Pardon me. Excuse me, too. Good. So, you know, the Van de Kamp's is frozen fish, and you know, you just put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes or so. And you're saying, like, oh, well, could you get some fresh fish? Could you do this and that? Yeah, well, you could, but I'm saying the poor man's tacos, what you got, baby, because these things are cheap. And you know, they were even cheaper than the Gortons. Y'all remember? And trust the Gortons, fisherman. Whatever happened to that dude? So, let's get on to it. You got your things going in the oven. That it means it just means it's time to go ahead and cut up the vegetables. So we're gonna get us some lettuce. Like I said, I had a half a head of lettuce, you know, and I went ahead and got that chopped up finely, sort of like fine wine, just like me. Then I actually had a few leftover peppers too. So I figured, why not spice up our lives, baby? Why not run for the border like Speedy Gonzales? So we've got a little bit of that. We got a little bit of this. What you need, lettuce, baby? Tortilla. So once you get your fish done, it should be a nice golden color. Ooh, and it smells delicious, nutritious, and it ain't no Finding Nemo. So let's go ahead and we gonna get us some tortillas out right now. Now, like I say, today I got the white corn tortillas, so I'm gonna be using two just because them things like to fall apart on you. So once you got that in there, let's get our bed of lettuce as we usually do and lay it down and softly whisper pretty fish taco words in your ear. Yeah, good looking lettuce. So then we're going to take one of them fish fillets. The whole thing, baby. Don't worry about cutting it up. Just slap that puppy on there. You deserve it, baby. You've been working hard. So, now, let's take just a few of them peppers. And I tried to chop mine up pretty fine because I really don't want a whole lot on here. Just a little bit to make it fresh, don't you know? So, now, last but not least, you're saying to yourself like, oh, where's that sauce, baby? Right here. Oh, good sauce, good sauce. That's Samuel Adams pork trucker, sir. Good stuff. Oh, you meant the other sauce, the old Zesty Ranch. That I also had in the fridge. You know I like that stuff. So, pop on top again and lay it down right on top. Give me a lot. Make it spicy. Make it nice. So, we got all that put together. It looks wonderful. Gonna lift a finger. Woo! Then we're gonna stand back and we're gonna take a side. And we're gonna ready to, we're gonna get ready to have a big, beautiful bite of this poor man's fish taco tonight. But I tell you what, I feel rich as hell standing here looking at this thing. So, don't you agree? Yeah. Alright, baby, the time has come. The poor man's fish taco is done. And I'm having that first bite for old Captain Black Owl. So, there she was. Excuse me, fishy. Woo! Man, that's a delightful little bite. You know, It's good. I mean, fish, lettuce, vegetable, sauce, sweet, tender, just right, baby. I mean, that's gonna fill you up nice, and you'll be ready to go tomorrow. And you can figure it out tomorrow, because we got today right on the money. So I want to thank y'all for being on the money and watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. So y'all have a good one. Enjoy that dinner, baby. And I'll see you next time. Woo! One fish, two fish. Good fish. My fish.